Joe SPX3000 pressure washer has a powerful 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor which generates up to 2030 psi for maximum cleaning power. It has a total stop system which automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Joe SPX3000 pressure washer comes with a dual detergent tanks, two 0.9 liters on board, removable tanks which can carry and store different types of detergent, to simultaneously tackle different cleaning projects. The Pressure Joe SPX3000 pressure washer can be used to tackle all sort of cleaning tasks for home, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. What set the Pressure Joe SPX3000 pressure washer apart? This pressure washer packs a powerful punch with its 1800 watt 14.5 amp motor. The Pressure Joe SPX3000 electric pressure washer generates up to 2030 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow for maximum cleaning power. It's equipped with a dual detergent tank system. The Pressure Joe SPX3000 pressure washer carries and stores two different types of detergent simultaneously in its two 0.9 liter onboard, removable detergent tanks, conveniently switch between different detergents with its detergent selection dial and blast away all sorts of grime. This pressure washer features a 34-inch extension spray wand to access hard-to-reach areas, such as two-story buildings and the undersides of automotive vehicles and lawn equipment. Plus, its rear wheels provide easy portability around your yard. This pressure washer lets you tailor the pressure output of the spray to your cleaning need with Pressure Joe's 5 quick connect spray nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree and soap. Interchange nozzles to quickly go from a high pressure 0 degree pencil point jet to a low pressure 40 degree fan spray or apply detergent to the cleaning surface with the soap nozzle for additional cleaning power. Other features on the SPX3000 electric pressure washer include a 20-foot high pressure hose, 35-foot power cord, garden hose adapter, and a TSS, total stop system, trigger that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Click the link below to buy at the best price on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel for more review.